Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today in 60 seconds or so I just want to show you what tomato suckers are. They get a bad rap. They're also really production stems. They will grow leaves, flower clusters, and they will fruit. But you prune to manage the size of your tomatoes for different reasons. Now there are two basic types of tomatoes. There are the determinate variety that get to a set height. Don't prune those. Maybe remove some of the bottom leaves, but they only get to a set height. They produce their flowers over a couple of weeks, they set their fruit, and then they die back. You want as many of the suckers to be growing in those because they're going to have your flower clusters and fruit. Now your indeterminate type tomatoes, like these two, will continue to grow over the season. They can get 6, 7, 8, 9 feet tall. So first of all, how do you find a sucker? You start with the main stem, and the main stem goes straight up, and then where the leaf comes out, like right in there, and then the stem continues. Right in there was a sucker. I already removed it. And with my pruning, when I do the indeterminate types, I like to take the suckers from the bottom and create a gap down at the bottom of the tomato. Here's another leaf that comes out. Stem continues. There's a sucker. Now the main stem continues up this way. A leaf comes out. A flower cluster forms. But right in here was a tiny little sucker that is continuing to grow, and I'm letting it grow, and it will continue to make flowers, and it produces just like the main stem. I'm letting this branch off. The main stem continues this way, and then you can see right here it branches off. Main stem comes up. Right in here is a sucker. I'm going to remove that one, and then the main branch continues, flowers, leaf, and right in there is another sucker. I'm going to remove that one. And you can just manage them how you want. There's no exact way to pruning. It's really up to you. One more quick example. Coming straight up here. Main stem branches off to here. Leaf goes here. And that is a sucker right in there. And you could remove that if you want. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com.